12 everyday items with surprising uses in the garden. Gardening can be a wonderful hobby, and it doesn't always require specialized, expensive products to keep your plants thriving. In fact, you might be surprised to find that things you routinely use at home can double as effective gardening supplies. Even things you normally discard can be repurposed. Yup, you heard that right. So stick around. Here's how the following everyday items can help you maintain a healthy and vibrant garden. Number 1. Old kitchen sponges. Chopping up old kitchen sponges and placing them at the bottom of plant pots can work wonders for retaining moisture, especially in hotter climates or during dry seasons. They act like reservoirs, slowly releasing water and keeping the soil moist between waterings. This technique is particularly useful for potted plants that require consistent moisture levels but are prone to drying out quickly. Of course, you should first clean and disinfect your sponges thoroughly to prevent the spread of bacteria or mold. Number 2. Hair. I know this sounds odd, but hear me out. Your hair contains valuable nutrients like nitrogen, magnesium, and keratin that plants really love. In addition to enriching soil, hair also modifies soil structure to promote better root expansion. It helps create a lighter, more aerated environment that allows roots to grow freely and access nutrients more effectively. Next time you clean your hairbrush, consider tossing those strands into your compost bin instead of the trash. You can even collect some fur from your pets when you groom them. Number 3. Wine corks. Rather than throwing away those leftover wine corks, grind them up to use them as a soil amendment. Cork is naturally lightweight and porous, which makes it excellent for improving drainage and aeration in dense or clay-heavy soils. Adding ground cork can help prevent waterlogging and ensure that plant roots receive enough oxygen, thereby promoting healthier growth. Number 4. Stockings. Don't ditch those old nylon stockings just yet. They have a new role to play in your garden. Perfect for supporting growing plants without causing harm, stockings can be used to securely tie tomato vines, tall flowers, or young trees to stakes. Their gentle yet durable structure allows for natural growth and expansion, helping your plants stay upright and healthy as they reach for the sun. Number 5. Coffee grounds. Your morning coffee can do more than wake you up. Used coffee grounds are fantastic for your plants too. High in nitrogen, calcium, and magnesium, coffee grounds can be added to your compost or directly applied to the soil as a fertilizer. They enhance moisture retention and improve soil aeration. Just make sure they are dry before using them to avoid mold growth. Number 6. Spices. Adding common kitchen spices to your garden care routine can be a highly effective, eco-friendly method of deterring pests. Chili powder and cayenne pepper, for example, can be sprinkled directly around your plants every few days to ward off insects, or they can be mixed with water for a homemade pesticide spray. This natural approach keeps your garden free of unwanted pests without introducing harmful chemicals into the environment. Number 7. Broken ceramics. Dropped a plate or cracked a ceramic pot? Don't sweat it. Repurpose it in your garden instead. Arranging the shards of ceramic in a layer across the base of your pots ensures that excess water drains away from the soil and maintains an optimal level of moisture. It's a great way to keep your plants healthy and thriving in their containers. Number 8. Tea bags. If you're more of a tea drinker than a coffee enthusiast, don't worry. Your used tea bags can play a valuable role in the garden. The tannic acid in tea is particularly beneficial for acid-loving plants, such as roses and azaleas. Simply open up some used tea bags and sprinkle the damp leaves around the base of your plants to enrich the soil and enhance their growth. Additionally, tea leaves help keep mice and other pests at bay, making them a dual-purpose addition to your gardening efforts. Number 9. Eggshells. Don't toss those eggshells after making breakfast. Wash them thoroughly and let them dry in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Then, crush them and sprinkle some around your plants. Crushed eggshells add essential minerals to soil, such as calcium, which helps plants develop strong cellular walls. They're also great for balancing the pH of your soil, as they reduce acidity that can otherwise hinder plant growth. Moreover, the coarse texture of crushed shells enhances soil drainage and aeration, and that's an important factor for root health. Number 10. Epsom salt. Commonly used for relaxing baths, Epsom salt also has a place in the garden. Sprinkling some around your plants or mixing some into the soil can help improve seed germination rates, strengthen cell walls, and increase nutrient absorption. Epsom salt can also boost the vibrancy of your foliage and improve flower blooming. It's particularly beneficial for tomatoes, peppers, and roses. Number 11. Fireplace ashes. If you enjoy a cozy fire, save some of those wood ashes for your garden. Ashes are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and potassium, key elements that support plant growth and vigor. They also help neutralize acidic soil and promote better nutrient uptake. Just make sure the ashes are cool before you sprinkle them lightly around your plants. Number 12. Old shoes and boots. Give your worn-out shoes or boots a new lease on life by transforming them into plant holders. This idea recycles past its prime footwear and adds a quirky, charming element to your garden. Start by disinfecting your shoes with water and bleach and allow them to dry. Then, drill holes in the soles to ensure proper drainage. And you're ready to plant succulents, herbs, or flowers in them to create eye-catching displays. Place them strategically around your garden or on patios for a personalized touch. As you can tell, many things you have lying around, or that often end up in the trash, can be incredibly useful in the garden. By repurposing them, not only are you helping your garden thrive in an eco-friendly way, but you're also cutting down on waste. So next time you pick up a household item or think about throwing something away, consider whether it might help your plants. Happy gardening! Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.